Hi, this is Obi again, and this is video actually we learn about how to use Adobe InDesign Data Merge to populate text and image frame on there. Okay, so in this video actually we want to achieve this type of stuff on there. So let's start it. Before to jump, I just set a master pages like this one. Okay, they are fixed, and also there are left side text like style, essay, mrp, color, commodity, all are actually fixed. Okay, and also this one fixed, and also this one, and right side actually text will be populated by our data marks, and it need to be come from SVG format. Okay, so for our quick video, actually, I just set the text box differently on there. Okay, all are separated. Okay, very good, and also this one the separated. So let's jump to the SVG format because there are some. Okay, let's make it easy because if you see there are a folder, I just name it data mass test, and there are a data mass svg file and also a image. Okay, so this is the very crucial part to keep all of the information in a folder so that it linkable. Okay, so open the data mass svg file, and here you can see there are a formation. The name is first one style, and if you notice there are no style and essay, and I also set a essay, and here is the number. Okay, sometimes actually it's come from like scientific numbers like this one, so we need to actually focus on there. Just keep it general number. Okay. Okay. Then MRP, and if we see there are MRP, color, and all of this. And here is the things actually the barcode. That means it will be populated our image like barcode one. If we see there are the image name barcode one dot png. So we need to same exactly same name on there. Okay, and for the barcode here, before the at the date, we need to add apostrophes. Okay, but when you click there, then you can see apostrophes, but when you click the other one, then you can see no apostrophes. This is important because to load a image like barcode one. Okay, right now I just keep them as safe. Okay, okay, that's fine. So go to the Adobe InDesign file, and there we can actually implement the data mesh. So to open a data mesh, go to the window section, and there you can see a utility, and there a data mesh option. So here is the data mesh. There's the instruction how to use. So I have read it there, no problem. Go to the uh, right side on the option panel option, then you can see select a data source, and I need to select the data source that I have. Okay, just select it. Now there you can see all of the title that I selected there, and I can see them. Okay, so go to the one by one, go to the style. This one is the style. Oh wait, so you need to control A first one, so it will be populated right this way, and go to the essay, control A and essay, and all of the things. Okay, color, commodity, size, network, net quality. Okay, date, control A, country, okay, and this will be the fix, so I will not go there, but the image option will be the populated. So mark this image frame, then click on there, then you can see a barcode showing there, and right now we have a preview option. Let's check it if it all fine. I think all are fine, and here have a red line, so I need to increase them because there are more text on there. So like this, you can use more data marks, or if you add on the CSV format file more data, then it automatically populated. Okay, this is the things actually happen on data marks in Adobe InDesign. This is very easy, and right now we can go to export to PDF. It will be export the PDF. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.